Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Pure Enrichment heating pad not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you could do here to probably solve any issues you might be encountering with your Pure Enrichment heating pad. So first thing that you want to do is you want to inspect for any cords, inspect the cord or in this case connectors. Now check for fried wires, exposed cords, or broken plugs. Now if your heating pad has a detachable controller, disconnect it and reconnect it firmly. Just make sure that it's not loose. Also, you might want to check your power supply. Now, you want to plug your heating pad to a different power outlet to rule out power issues and also ensure the plug is securely inserted into the outlet. Now, also, you might want to test this or test other devices on that outlet just to make sure it's not your power supply's problem. And also, if you're using like extension cords, make sure to avoid that, especially if you're using a lot of appliances or gadgets on that cord. This could cause a lot of problems and insufficient power being supplied to the actual device. Next is if you might want to reset or the heating pad. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to unplug the heating pad from the power source and just allow the pad to cool down for a few minutes. So recommended is around like 10 to 15 minutes if you can. And once you've done that, just reconnect the device and turn it back on and see if that solves the issue. Also, you might want to inspect your heating pad's connection here just in case. Make sure the heating pad is laid flat and not folded or bunched or crunched here. So use a heating pad according to the product manual to prevent overheating issues. Now, also, you might inspect for any like burns on the heating pad. So if you do see any burns, it may have overheated and your heating pad may be broken. So if you've just bought this recently, you could actually request for a replacement. But if you had this for some time now, then most likely your device is no longer able to you will not be able to start using again because of some damage. But yeah, so if you still want to contact them, you could go ahead and reach out to Pure Enrichment support. Now you could go ahead and reach out to them to appropriate channel so you can view this or get the contact details either from their official website or from the manual that you have or the box that came with your Pure Enrichment heating pad. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. But see you then up. Thank you for watching.